Hey babes, Sarah here from Sparrow Springs.
Hello.
And David, who also has a YouTube channel. He is Sara Ferrari. I'm gonna leave a link in the description. You should check out his channel too. Anyways, today we have a bit of a vlog. We left the baby at home with babysitters and we are going on a date. And I'm not just gonna vlog a date necessarily, it is art related. So we are going to do some paintings by the river. We're going to paint from life. So we've got a bunch of stuff in the back, lawn chairs, easels, an easel, and paints, and we're gonna go get food first and then head to the river. So let's see how this goes. How you feeling?
Thirsty.
Thirsty?
Yeah, second warm day of the year.
Yeah.
It's nice.
Yeah. It's like 73 right now, which is lovely. I'm glad it's not any hotter because our car does not have air conditioning.
True.
Anyway, do you want a blizzard?
Yeah.
What kind of blizzard? I'm glad there wasn't a really long line. Jesus loves you. Jesus loves you.
I guess I'll have also a number one. The combo. Let's see, chocolate brownie extreme.
Okay, just got some food. We're gonna go to our painting spot and eat. My husband lovingly bought himself ice cream, and I guess he gave me some too. He assumed I would like it or something. Alright, so we are at our spot. I'll show you what it looks like in just a second. So we got all our stuff. Yay! We got just over 2 hours till we have to be back. So let's see how this goes. Okay, so it's kind of a gray day and I'm working on a canvas that is already covered with some paint. So I'm going to just be sketching. So I just pre-mixed my colors and I'm just going to sketch things out on my canvas first. Okay, so I've got kind of a basic outline of stuff going on just so I have a road map to follow. And then David's working on a sketch.
Pretty much done, I think, but...
With the sketch?
Yeah.
Cool. You gonna start painting?
Yeah.
Cool. Let's do it.
Let's do it.
Okay, so I got my sky in. I've overlapped my building just a little bit so my edges aren't ridiculously noticeable. David has begun painting after mixing some colors.
Yes. The stone ended up the color of the water somehow.
I mean, the water does look pretty brown. So I got my trees in here. I'm gonna be putting in some sticks and branches and stuff. It's a little windy out here.
Yeah, I know.
It's all good, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so it's getting darker and colder. So I've got some stuff going on here. I'm realizing we don't have enough time. How's it going for you?
We won't talk about how it's going.
Let's see.
And that's how it's going for me. That and that. I don't know, it looks like third grader's hard work. Oh, and I don't think I used too much paint for the sky, and I don't have enough paint. So, yeah, it's cool.
Okay, so we're gonna call it a day because it's getting cold and we're running out of time. So this is generally what I have. It's not, yeah, we need much more time than this. And apparently David only used, oh, there we go. Hold it up closer. We definitely ran out of time. And I just found out that David only used one paintbrush and a palette knife for his entire painting.
And I painted the Red River red.
It is red. It is very
because
red.
I gave up.
My paint kept drying out because of the wind. So, some other day. And I think I just smudged my painting. Oh well. Okay, we are going home to save the baby. Save the babysitters, actually. So it was fun. It was fun. I think I need to actually set aside some time to really focus on colors and stuff. I knew we were gonna be strapped for time. So, and then my paints kept drying out. So it was like I'd mix the color and then I'd go back and it was dry. So that's fun. That's fun. David, did you have fun?
Oh yeah, that was a blast.
If you like this video, make sure you hit the subscribe button, like this video, and I'll see you later, peeps. Yay, we're home, and everybody was all in one piece. Where's the meowder? Are you ready for bed?